Okay, good morning. I was just using the dryer and the wheel spit quinning inside, so I'm guessing it's the belt. So this is what happens when your dryer don't spin. I'm guessing it's the belt. We got a whirlpool. That's an estate made by Whirlpool. Looks like this. No inspection cover down there. So I watched looked online and figured I'll take it apart. So we take the front cover, top cover, fold that up, then two bolts, and then this front piece is supposed to come open. And then we should be able to see what we're looking at. Suppose I can pull out this lint thing here. There's two Phillips screws right there. Okay, supposedly there's a little tab right here. You gotta take a putty knife, put it in there. Should be able to pull up on it. There's what we were prying on right there, that little tab. Like that. You don't want to be under here. Ain't gonna do nothing. You gotta be up here. So there's inside of there now. We'll fold that up and we'll see what we can look at. Yeah, the belt looks bad right now. Sorry about the shakiness. See right there? It's all loose too. I'm gonna have to take this, there's two more things back there, but that's not for it. This is the belt that drives it right here. So now we gotta take out one 5/16 here on that side and one on this side, and that is in the front of the machine. I'm going to take them out and should be able to bring that down. Got that on plugged. Now it's supposed to just pull out and lift it. Okay, well when I looked in there, we have more of a problem than just the belt. Here's the part of the pulley that the belt rides on. It's all metal pieces in there. So I'm going to take the drum out. It's all loose. Just got to lift it out of there. And then we'll see that. You hear that thunder out there? That is close. So right there it is. See right there, this little thing here is supposed to be on the end of here to create a pulley like, but that broke off. I don't know how, because the motor sure seems to spin nice still. And then these, we might need to get new wheels. That one doesn't spin that well, but that one spins nice. Let me see what I can find online for a whole kit. Okay, so I gotta get this little piece off here that I broke off. That's supposed to be the pulley like. So I'm gonna take this crescent wrench, put it back on here. Then I think I'm best bet just take a vice grip and clamp it on there and see if I can get it off. I don't know which way this goes on and off, so we're gonna have to find out. Okay, well I got that off now. There's the piece that broke. Okay, there's the old one right there. What I just took off, you seen? And here's a new one right here. Now as I was taking that off, the mail lady finally came. It's after 4 o'clock and she's supposed to be here by 2. So that box right there is everything else we need. So let's open that up and see what we got. We can use that for eBay. Now there's some parts in here that I didn't need that came with the kit in. It's like, I don't need the dryer blower wheel, but I probably can resell it or just keep it on hand. So here's we got the belt and we got the 2 new little wheels for the thing. This here is supposed to be the motor right here, but our motor is still good. But it was cheaper to buy this whole kit and that stuff in the long run than buy this. So I can resell this stuff or we'll just keep it on hand. So I'm gonna put this stuff on. Okay, so I got the new little pulley, 2 new wheels with the little nuts, got the new belt tensioner, and I got the new belt. So there's a little bolt that's right here. I loosened that, took that out. So now this little bracket here is loose. So I'm gonna wiggle on that until I get that little snap ring. That little thing just popped right off now. There was just this little bitty ring right here that was on there. Okay, so you got this little plastic triangle ring here. And that's what holds it on. I got some new ones. I gotta get them off of there. They gave me a new front one and a back one. Now the wheel should come off. Yep. And then I need to replace the back one too. Okay, I'll put the new little rings on now. See that click back there? Let's slide the wheel on. They already had grease on them. We'll slide another little clip on. The little triangle things. There we go. Then we put this bracket back on. Now we just got this little snap ring clip here. We'll put that back on there. Might have to get something to push it on with. Maybe the socket will work. There it is, stuck back on there good now. You want to do the same thing with this one here then. They did with the other one. Okay, so I'm going to put the new little thing on here. Okay, so we got the 2 wheels on, 2 rollers on. We got the pulley on the motor. Got that all vacuumed out in there nice and clean. So now we just got to put the drum inside. and the belt on, and the tensioner. I'm going to open up the new belt. Get all the creases out of it, make sure it's all nice and straight. Take the old belt off. Put a new one on. I'm going to get it right where the other one was. You'll be able to see the mark on it. Alright, so now we'll just grab the belt and the thing and we're going to sit it back in there. A little tight to get back in there. Yeah, that feels good there. Now we'll get this belt line back up on here. Okay, so there it is after I got it on. You gotta hook that right in there like that. This side over here first. And then that side snaps in. Then you grab the belt and you loop it together and put it through there, through this opening here. And then you hook it on there. So you just grab two pieces of belt together and you pull it through there, and then it runs around here and it hooks to here. So hopefully it helps you. Okay, I got that in there now. Now I just got to put the door on and then fold the top down and we'll be able to try it out. Okay, well I just put the two screws in underneath of here. So let's turn this thing on and see what it does. Ready? Should be spinning now. Look at that. Well, it's all fixed now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps you sometime. Talk to you guys later. Bye.